How to draw coronavirus prevention poster step by step. Let's learn. Start drawing with a marker, but if you think you have to erase on some point, you can easily use a pencil. In this tutorial, I try to draw how you can stay safe in this terrible pandemic situation. Stay home, wash your hand for 20 seconds, as well as obviously take the vaccine if you're under the age according to the World Health Organization. Don't forget to try this drawing at your home, and obviously smash the like button. So yeah, our drawing is mostly complete, and now let's coloring. Draw the first background with sky blue and white, house roof with the pink, and the other portion with yellow ochre, pale orange, as well as yellow. The coronavirus with red and pink. The other portion I used green, grass green, and yellow green. Don't forget to smash properly as well as you can. In the water tube, I tried brown and yellow ochre, and the soft hand with yellow ochre and pale orange, and the watercolor I used the cobalt blue and sky blue. Here is the vaccine. Draw it with cobalt blue, sky blue, Prussian blue, as well as mix up with the white, trident, yellow ochre, and yellow. Then use gray. Then color the vast earth, include the water section with Prussian blue, cobalt blue, as well as sky blue. Then the soil portion with Prussian blue, green, and yellow green. Eventually outline all of the structure with a black outliner. Yay! Our drawing is complete. Try this easy poster at your home and comment me below. Check out my previous lesson by clicking I button, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Ta-da! See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay home.